JLP councillor suspended after he allegedly assaulted his wife with a firearm. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. James Police on Wednesday arrested and charged councillor for the Rose Heights Division in the parish, Arthur Lynch, with offences of illegal possession of firearm and assault at common law. In a release, the police said that the charges stem from allegation that on Tuesday, December the 7th, Lynch and his wife had a dispute. According to reports, during the dispute, Lynch pulled his licensed firearm and pointed it at his wife. A report was made to the police and he was charged after an investigation. A date for his court appearance is being finalized by the police. Reports have since emerged that the Jamaica Labour Party JLP, which Lynch represents, has suspended him from the party, with possible further political repercussion on the horizon at the end of the party investigation on the alleged incident. This has been Link's 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come. Thanks for watching.